Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful, simple, coily boss braids on my head right now. And if you want to know how I made this hair, please keep on watching this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share after watching. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get started. To start, I'm going to cut this Dali Superstar extension into 7 parts. I wanted this hair to be very short, and this is the length of the hair after stretching it and all that. I'm going to show you what I did with this tiny part of the hair that I left out. I made the rest of the hair off the camera because I didn't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to use my hands to section the hair before I start braiding it. I normally use my comb to section my hair, but today I use my hands. You can use your hands, your comb, anything you are comfortable with, alright? After braiding the hair, I'm going to start coiling it. I actually used the braided method before to coil the hair, but I didn't like how the coils came out, so I decided to use this hair coiler. Then I'm going to put the hair in hot water for like 1 minute. So this is the final look, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.